All right, step one is going to be leveling out this ground with the box plate on the tractor. And then we started moving on to placing these big boulders and leveling them out. Took every bit of a day to do it. I was fortunate to have a good friend of mine come out and help. Was good at giving me direction because I can't see what I'm doing when I'm on that tractor. The bucket takes up everything. So he was able to direct me. Let's get a real quick look at our final stone placement. Came out great. They're all good and level. Gonna do a little bit of digging here, and we're gonna start setting stones. We're gonna have 2 steps that come down from the driveway with nice risers on them that we'll eventually get to. So we're gonna set these in mud, mortar mix. You don't have to stick them down. It's no big deal. Things are gonna move. It is what it is. It's an outdoor fire pit. So the reason that we do this is because the ground's uneven. I don't know about you, but I'm not digging all that by hand. It's really hard ground. So the mortar mix allows us to even them all out. Plus the stones aren't even either. Once we get this all laid, we're gonna spread out this dry mortar mix on top of it so it falls down and locks everything in. Don't get the stone wet before you do this. You're gonna hose it all off when we're done. Should be good. All right, I'm gonna finish hosing this off, giving you a quick look at what it's gonna look like when we're done. We'll do all that in stone. And this is how it turned out so far. Great start. Great start. Very happy with it. We'll fill in all those cracks with mortar mix also. Not a bad spot for a fire pit, huh?